Step into the world of modern Nordic design, where simplicity meets elegance. As you enter, you are immediately greeted by a striking separation of vinyl and tiles. The vinyl flooring, with its warm wood-like finish, exudes a cozy atmosphere, perfect for Nordic-inspired comfort. On the other side, the patterned tiles create a sleek and clean aesthetic. The intentional division defines the space, giving each area its own character while maintaining a harmonious flow. Upon entering, you'll be captivated by the room's minimalistic elegance. It features a serene color palette, mainly whites and soft pastel, evoking tranquility. In the heart of this contemporary Nordic gaming room, calmness mingles with excitement. The minimalist designs, clean lines, and soothing color establish a tranquil atmosphere, contrasting with its thrilling purpose. Cleverly concealed storage seamlessly integrates with the room's aesthetics. Upon entering, experience the minimalistic elegance of a serene space with a calming color palette, predominantly whites and soft pastels. The focal point is a walk-in wardrobe leading to a modern Nordic master bedroom, embodying Scandinavian design principles for a serene and stylish sanctuary, emphasizing simplicity, functionality, and coziness.